Good afternoon everyone. Myself Saili Suhas Evrade, third year MBBS student from Grand Government Medical College and Sir JJ Group of Hospitals. Currently I am the president of Dr. Ambedkar Medical Association, Grand Government Medical College. As we embark on the centenary celebrations of the monumental work, The Problem of Rupee by the revered Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, it is time to shed light on a lesser explored dimension of his multifaceted genius. While Babasaheb Ambedkar is predominantly celebrated as a prominent political leader and the chief architect of India's constitution, his profound contributions to economics remain relatively overshadowed. In the era when India grappled with oppressive yoke of British colonial rule, Dr. Ambedkar's insights into economic emancipation and freedom for the nation were nothing short of visionary. Beyond his political role, he proved to be an exceptional economist who meticulously analyzed the economic quandary India faced under colonial subjugation. Dr. Ambedkar's prowess as an economist was not only recognized but celebrated on the global stage. Esteemed institutions such as Columbia University and the London School of Economics acknowledged him as the preeminent student of the century. This distinction is a testament to his remarkable intellect, deep understanding of economic principles, and his unwavering commitment to the upliftment of India. The Problem of Rupee stands as a testament to Dr. Ambedkar's economic acumen. This scholarly work was not merely an academic exercise but a fervent call for economic justice and independence. Within its pages, he meticulously desiccated the economic policies enforced by the British colonial regime, shedding light on the intricacies of currency management and the profound implications it held for India's economic landscape. As we celebrate the centenary of this remarkable treatise, it is imperative that we recognize and honor Dr. Ambedkar not solely for his role in shaping India's political destiny, but also for his profound influence on its economic trajectory. His ideas and principles continue to be relevant in the contemporary economic discourse, serving as guiding lights in our quest for economic justice and progress. In this commemorative journey, we are compelled to look beyond the conventional boundaries of leadership and acknowledge the comprehensive brilliance of a man whose contributions reverberate through time. Dr. Ambedkar's legacy serves as an enduring source of inspiration, reminding us of remarkable heights that human intellect and determination can reach and urging us to embrace his teachings as we work towards a more economically just and prosperous future for our great nation. Thank you.